Alright guys, so it's pretty simple to insert a microSD card in your Switch 2. Now the most important thing here is it has to be a microSD express card. The Switch 1 microSD cards will only work when you're transferring your data. Okay, so to insert the microSD, the back right here you're going to bring up the stand. Just lift it up. Now for the microSD you want the front facing towards you. The back is gold plated, the front has the logos. You see right there you put in the microSD. Just push all the way until it clicks. To use this you may need to update your system or just restart it. Just press on restart. Handy guys, now I'm going to go into system settings. Data management. You see the microSD cards right there. One final thing to remove it. To remove the microSD, first turn off your Switch 2. You're then going to bring up the stand. And push in the microSD so it pops out. Just like that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.